Hi, welcome to Katerina Finds. Today I want to review the shower head. It has 10 modes. I will show you everything after installation. I just want to show you what comes inside. Let's see. I think this one helps to prevent from leaking. It has very simple and easy instruction to follow. So this is my old shower head. Let's see if I can. Here's the thing. When you wrap that Teflon tape around the thread, make sure you remove everything loose from the previous tape from the thread. Just do a few circles, maybe 5, 6, and that's enough. You can just screw it up by the hand. If you use any tools, you might damage. Just don't tighten it up too hard. You might damage the part. While I'm installing, I will tell you that this shower head has multi-layer filtration system which can effectively remove impurities in the water and reduce skin irritation. High pressure technology can achieve strong water flow even in low pressure environments, which is very suitable for family with low water pressure. The shower head provides 10 spray modes to meet various shower preferences. It also has a pause mode, for example, if you like give a bath to your animal.
Okay.
Oh my god!
Wait, change again.
Oh wow, this is so strong.
I'm gonna have a fun time using this.
So,
I think it's better.
so this one is like, hold on.
Yeah, I like that one.
Such nice.
Oh no, that's
This is normal. This is powerful. This one is awesome. Oh wow, this one is cool. It's like a spa shower.
Oh wow. This one is so much better.
And this one is pause, I guess. Oh wow. This is cool.
Nice.
I like this one a lot. And also, unique magnetic connection design, easy to install and remove, a high quality after sales
Oh,
service. like a magnet.
That is awesome. Let's see if I can reach. Oh, yeah, I can reach. Not that tall anyways. Ah.